Okay, now I'm going to do the backyard. It's coming out of the kitchen here. Yeah, I've got the beautiful flagstone patio. It's beautiful trees. So we've got from the corner of the house there all the way around. Some beautiful rhododendrons, and we've got a little gazebo for dining, outdoor dining, some hydrangeas. So I'll take a look over on this side of the house. And then in this area, got a little bench area for hanging out. And then the old sergeant workout area over here. Pull-ups, push-ups, you name it. And then there's just that little storage shed. So there you go, 2660 Nob Hill Drive, the backyard view. Hope you all are doing good, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.